Linksys E900 Wireless Router Setup. Step 1. Unbox and power up. Unpack the router, plug in the power adapter, and switch it on. This ensures the router is ready for configuration. Step 2. Connect to modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem's output port to the router's Internet WAN port. This provides Internet access to the router. Step 3. Connect to a computer. Use another Ethernet cable to connect a computer to one of the router's LAN ports, or connect wirelessly to Linksys. This establishes a link for configuration. Step 4. Open router settings. Open a web browser and go to http://192.168.1.1. This is the default IP address for the router's admin interface. Step 5. Log in. Enter the default credentials, admin for both username and password, or just admin as password. This gives you access to the router settings. Step 6. Run Setup Wizard. Optional. Follow the on-screen Setup Wizard if available, for an automated configuration process. Step 7. Set up wireless network. Navigate to the Wireless tab, choose a network name, SSID, select WPA2 Personal for security, and set a strong password. This secures your Wi-Fi. Step 8. Configure Internet settings. Go to Setup, Basic Setup, and ensure the Internet connection type matches your ISP settings, e.g., DHCP, PPPoE. This establishes Internet connectivity. Step 9. Save settings. Click Save Settings after any changes to ensure they take effect. This applies the configurations to the router. Step 10. Reconnect devices. Disconnect and reconnect all devices to the newly configured wireless network using the SSID and password. This ensures secure access to the Internet.